With the announcements of the schedules for the 8th general elections to the Lok Sabha 2024 by the Election Commission of India in New Delhi, the Model Code of Conduct has been put into effect. This announcement imposes restrictions on the printing of pamphlets and posters in the region. Under Section 127A of the Representations of the People Act 1951, the requirements regarding the printing and publishing of election-related materials has been outlined. The sections mandates that any election pamphlets or posters must prominently display the names and addresses of both the printers and the publishers. Additionally, individuals are required to provide a signed declaration of the identity attested by two unknown individuals to the printers before publication. Furthermore, copies of these declarations must be sent to the Chief Electoral Officer (CEO) or the district magistrates, depending on the location of printing. Failure to comply with these regulations carries penalties, including imprisonment for up to 6 months or a fine of up to 2,000 rupees or both. This notification issued by the Office of the District Elections Officer or DC, Faizal District, serve as reminder to all concerned parties, including aspiring candidates, political organizations, and workers to adhere strictly to these guidelines during the election period.